Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. My name is happinessmajoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today is just today, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to achieve this long French coffin nails at home at the comfort of your house. I promise you do not need any qualifications to be a nail tech, just the basic and you're good to go. If you are interested, then keep watching this video. They are already prepped. If you don't know how to prep your nails, please check out my video of how to prep your nails, and I'll be leaving down in the description below. Okay, so now my nails are prepped, and I already chose the nails that fit on my nails, and I displayed them right here. As you can see, I'm going to be placing these nails onto my natural nails that are already prepped. I repeat, let's do this. Check the link down in the description box if you need to know how to prep your nails. This is the glue that I use to fix my nails, so I will stop talking and let you guys see the magic of editing and doing these things as fast. Enjoy! After the preparation of my nails, here I'm going to be using my primer just to apply at the nail base section, and then I apply the base coat. As I am curing my nail for 60 seconds after applying the base coat, I'm going to be using this Nude gel polish. It's called Nude Sunday. I'm not sure if you can read that, but that's what it reads. It's written ND19P at the bottom of the polish. So if you're looking for this type of nude color, that's the name you need to go look for. I will be applying 2 coats of this Nude gel polish. The first coat, cure for 60 seconds, and then the second coat and cure for 60 seconds. This is what it looks like. Very nice color if you are a minimalist. want to do a French tip just because my toenails are white, so I want to do a white French tip using the stamping tool method. So I'm going to show you guys. And I also have some chrome powder, and I don't know how I'm going to utilize this, but I think I'll find a way out. Yeah, so what I'm going to be doing first is I'll be using this white gel. Nice, it looks decent. These are the nails. I can leave it at this and rock them, but I want to try the chrome on the white part and see how it's going to look. I've never done this before, so yeah. So this is the before and this is the after. Guys, tell me what you think about these nails. So I'm going to be doing that for this hand, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. That is it for today's video. If you like this video, you know exactly what to do right now. Leave a comment down in the comment section, like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Tell me guys, rate this out of 10 or 100 or 1,000 or 1,000,000. Leave a comment down in the comment section, and don't forget to share with your family and friends. All those things YouTubers say, do that for me. Always remember to work hard, stay humble and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye.